Hello, viewers, greetings. Welcome to my channel. Changing sentences Dhaka Board 2017. Change the sentences, according to direction A. Mother Teresa is an icon to many people. Interrogative B. She is respected by everybody. Active C. She is one of the greatest person of the world. Positive D. She was very kind to the needy and ill-fated. Negative E. She believes that charity is a great virtue. Compound F. Actually Mother Teresa was a noble-hearted person. Complex G. Mother Teresa was a very passionate woman. Exclamatory H. She helps those who were helpless. Simple I. A. Mother Teresa is an icon to many people. Interrogative answer A. Isn't Mother Teresa an icon to many? She is respected by everybody. Active answer B. Everybody respects her. C. She is one of the greatest person of the world. Positive answer C. Very few person of the world are so great as she. D. She was very kind to the needy and ill-fated. Negative answer D. She was never unkind to the needy and the ill-fated. E. She believes that charity is a great virtue. Compound answer E. Charity is a great virtue and she believes it. F. Actually Mother Teresa was a noble-hearted person. Complex answer F. Actually Mother Teresa was a person who was noble-hearted. G. Mother Teresa was a very passionate woman. Exclamatory answer G. What a passionate woman Mother Teresa was. H. She helps those who were helpless. Simple answer H. She helped the helpless people. I. She set up a Nirmal Hridoy at Kolkata. Compound answer I. She set up Nirmal Hridoy and it was at Kolkata. J. Who does not know about the charity of Mother Teresa? Assertive answer J. Everybody knows about the charity of Mother Teresa. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe the channel.